How to enable two-factor authentication Facebook problem. Firstly, connect or link the Facebook account with Instagram. To do that, you need to first open the Instagram app and now tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Tap on three line at the upper right corner and now tap on account center. Here you need to tap on profiles. Now tap on add accounts. You need to tap on add Facebook account. So tap on continue. And now you need to tap on continue. So to enable connected experience, you need to add your accounts to your account center. You need to select your birthday to confirm. After you have chosen, tap on continue. Now tap on yes, add Tech Studio 2024. And now here you can see that our Facebook account has already been linked with Instagram. After you connect your Facebook with Instagram, you need to go back to your profile and you need to deactivate your Facebook account with from the Instagram account. For that, simply go to the account center again and scroll down and tap on personal details. And now tap on account ownership and control. Tap on deactivation or deletion option and choose your Facebook account. Now tap on continue. Here you need to enter the password to continue. Once you enter the password and tap on continue, here you need to choose the reason why you want to deactivate your Facebook account. Now tap on continue. You need to choose when you want to reactivate your account. Here you can tap on don't reactivate automatically and tap on done. After that, tap on continue. So here it is given before you deactivate Messenger. If you see the option of continue using Messenger, simply don't tap on this. Now tap on deactivate account. And here you can see that your account has already been deactivated of Facebook from Instagram. Once you deactivate, you need to open any browser. On the web address bar, simply you can type in the Facebook login and tap on the first link. And here you can tap on login to another account and enter the mobile number or email and the password. So when you log into your account magically, the option of keep account save display won't be there, and then you can choose whether you want to reactivate the two-factor authentication again or not. So this is the easiest method, and if this video was helpful for you, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.